This time I was actually on my period. We missed you, girl. I was on my period. It's been a snowstorm. Listen, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Dodged a bullet for real this time. Y'all see? Snow. Snowstorm. Let's go to my white living room. Ooh, let me fix my tank top before they try to ban me. Hold on, y'all. Let me put some bottoms on because I think these shorts are too short to be on Twitch like this. People get banned for any little thing. Damn, girl. Hella sexy. Thanks, babes. Let's find some sweatpants to put on. They're gonna say you're wearing. Even though I have 3 fucking closets. Oh, y'all want to go with me to hang up all my new coats that I got? How about let's do that? That's gonna be hard to like pick up my phone and have to do at the same time. I think I should have planned this Twitch a little bit better. Okay, I found some spandex. When you shooting really her? We're planning it right now, actually. I'm gonna be shooting it in Miami. Y'all, I was in a snow blizzard. If your internet goes out, come back on. I was in a snow blizzard, you guys. All right, let's go fix my hair first. How about that? Let's go fix my hair and wash my face. Let's do that first. We're gonna fix my hair and we're gonna wash my face. Stuck in the snow. I was stuck in the snow and like, I don't know about y'all, but like, I just can't. When the weather is down and you're on your period, it just be too much. Hold on, I'm gonna set my phone up. When the weather is down and you're on your period, it's just too much. Let me see. Like 15 minutes of snow. Okay. I'm gonna get you a good I don't, y'all gotta give me a good headband so I can show y'all how to wash y'all face correctly. Let's get into skincare, you guys. Okay. So, you gotta get you like a good spa headband. Is this like a good, can y'all see me good before I start this whole process of washing my face? Yes. Can y'all see? Okay. So you got you a good headband. This spa headband I got from Ulta. I'm gonna show y'all the whole entire process and what products to use. Hey, if she don't see this, tell her Twitch will ban her. Yes, you think we finna get... What do you mean ban me? Why would they ban me? I didn't do anything. What would they ban me for? Okay. Y'all, is this good or not? Or should I refix my camera some way? I can't really read and do this at the same time. Oh, he's talking about my shirt. Let's change the shirt. Should I change the shirt, you guys? Okay. Hold that thought. I'm about to change it. Okay, guys, I'm about to change it because of your shirt. All right, I'm changing it. I should have just found a big shirt to put on. That's crazy when you're getting a camera for streaming. I'm just trying to make the right decisions and not get the wrong stuff, because one person told me I needed to get a backpack that was $30,000. Then another person told me, okay, are we good? I feel like I could set my camera up better. Hold on, let me see. A lot of people report things. Thank you, guys. Might be better. There. Y'all, this is better. This is a way better angle. Okay, so we'll start off with our gentle cleanser. This is the one I like from Zoe Skin. Screenshot it. It.